Hey, good evening. Welcome back. We were watching these clouds build in over the course of the past few hours, and that process is going to continue as we go into the overnight tonight. Our current temperatures, we are in the 70s and 60s too, 72 right now. Downtown, we've got 70 in Westerly, 69 right now as we look towards Smithfield with 67 in Newport and 69 for New Bedford. So we're coming down off of our day's high, which actually was a little bit warmer than average, closer to the 80-degree mark. And our winds have flipped direction from yesterday. You'll see we're bringing in air from the southwest for most areas. That is a warm and even a little bit humid wind direction for us in southern New England. It also is what happens right in front of a pretty strong cold front. And guess what? We've got one sitting here waiting in the wings. Now, eventually we will see precipitation reach the ground level. Even though it looks like it's on our doorstep, it's going to take some time before we can get the raindrops down to the ground because we've got this nice little dry layer hanging out, sort of being a buffer. So the buffer moves out, the rain moves in, and it will likely begin happening well after the midnight hour, like 4 a.m. That's when we're expecting the first raindrops to come down locally. So our futurecast is showing that too. Again, just increasing clouds, and they're picking up some raindrops. They'll be around the rain showers for your early commute, but it's the late commute that is of huge concern because during that time, as we finish the afternoon, we're looking at the chance of seeing very heavy rain staying in one place for a few hours. And as a result, we could see areas with rainfall totals that will be on the high side. And again, it will time out likely of the heaviest stuff all day during the late commute. It does move out, and Tuesday actually is looking to be a splendid day with plenty of sunshine. And that's our trend that'll finish out the week. But Monday is a tricky one. We do have the potential of heavy rainfall with rates of 1 inch per hour possible. And locally, we're expecting 1 to 2 inches. We could see some local 3-inch amounts because it's not just rain. We've got a chance of thunderstorms in here as well. No doubt we're looking at the possibility of urban and small stream flooding out there. Peak heavy rain again during the late commute. That's our target time of greatest concern. So our rainfall forecast taking us through Monday, getting us to the late commute. 5 p.m. Here's what happens after the late commute. We start to see rainfall totals locally top 1 inch or come very close to it. And that'll be our case as we go through Monday. I wanted to take us out to the tropics because we have a tropical storm out here. This is Nigel. Everybody meet Nigel. Now, Nigel, as of the latest forecast at 5 p.m. from the folks at the Hurricane Center, does have the potential of developing into a hurricane. And did you see that? There's a 3 in there. That's a major hurricane. Now, Nigel, as of now, is expected to take a hard turn out to sea up towards the middle of the North Atlantic before falling apart. But still, this season just continues to keep on going. So we're at the end name now. If we have any other areas of low pressure we're watching, they would get the next name on the list, which for us this year is Ophelia. With that said, here's your forecast for tonight. Increasing clouds, showers developing near dawn. Your overnight low will be near 64 degrees. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. Showers and thunderstorms. Patchy fog, also localized flooding possible, just as we talked about. Winds will be light moving in from the south. And our extended forecast shows once we get into the nicer conditions Tuesday, we hold them right on into next weekend. Now to see what's going on in the wide world of sports, here's our friend Ian.